Welcome children. Today we are going to continue our previous video of advertisements. We started classified advertisement, and in the previous video we have already covered first three categories of classified advertisements along with their subtypes, and today we are going to continue with the fourth category of classified advertisements, that is to let category. This is a category under which people write advertisements if they want to give something on rent or if they require something on rent. So let us have a look at the points we should mention in this kind of advertisement. First of all, we need to begin our advertisement, to let kind of advertisement, with the word available or wanted. That means either the site is available with us, that we want to give it on rent, or we are the buyer or we require the site on rent. If we have to give on the rent, then we will write available, and if we require it, then we will write the word wanted. So this word should be mentioned in the beginning. Then state the type of accommodation to let or required on rent. Along with that, you have to mention brief description of the accommodation, size, floor, room, means number of rooms available, etc. Fixtures and fittings, location and surroundings are some other important points which we should mention. And definitely we have to write about the rent expected, that how much rent is expected, and then we have to end our advertisement with the contact address. In every classified or in every type of advertisement, I should say, that we should definitely mention the contact address and phone number. Let us have a look at one example of this category. You want to let out a flat. Prepare an advertisement to this effect for publication in a newspaper, giving location of the building, nature of accommodation, rent expected. So not much of the details given in the statement, but yes, they have given you hints that these are the things you need to mention. So see, my advertisement is in box and it is starting with the title, the category, that it is to let category, and see what I have written in the details, how I have invented those details. Let us see. Available. So available word shows to the person who is looking at the advertisement, he comes to know that someone wants to give this site on rent. So available on rent, Sushant Lok, Ansals, MIG Flats, second floor, 2 bedrooms, lobby, balcony, fully furnished, well ventilated. So these are some qualities like fully furnished, well ventilated, which are handy with us, means we can write in every to let kind of advertisement. Then we have to mention important point, that how far it is from main market or taxi stand, or you can say airport. So the important landmarks. So I have written walking distance from main market and taxi stand. Then of course you have to tell the rent expected. Here you can tell one range also, like 5,000 to 10,000, or you can tell fixed address also, like I have written 5,000 fixed. Then I have written my preferences, that company lease preferred. So here you can write something if you prefer, like if you prefer only boys for the students going to college or something, or only girls, or like I have written company lease preferred. These type of preferences we can write here. And then of course we have to end it with the contact address, like I have written one. Though it was not given, I have invented on my own, and same you have to do also. If it is given in statement, fine, very easy, you have to just copy down. But if it is not given, you have to invent on your own. This completes to let kind of advertisement. Next comes educational institutions. See, many of the educational institutions, they also advertise their qualities, they also advertise. So what are the things they should write in their advertisement? So we need to take a look at that also. First of all, we should give the name of institution and its past record. If it is one institution which is really old one, then we can say that since this year or since 1970, since 1950, providing its services in the field of excellence. So this way we can tell the past record and the name of institution. Then we have to mention the courses which are being offered by this institution along with the duration of the courses, that how long the course goes for. Then you have to tell the list of facilities available and the fee structure. Yes, definitely you have to specify the eligibility conditions also in that advertisement only. And then you should quote the last date for registration or application, that registrations are open or up to this date you can register yourself, such things you need to tell. And then of course again the contact address and phone number at the end of your advertisement. Here also, let's have a look at one example of this category. You are the secretary of Indian Institute of Foreign Languages, Hyderabad. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in a newspaper announcing the commencement of new courses. So here they have not given you much of the details again in the statement. So let us see. First of all, I have mentioned the title or the category of my advertisement, that is educational, and then I have put it in a box also. Let us see how I have invented the details. IIFL announces the commencement of short-term courses in French, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, etc. Duration 6 months. Eligibility senior secondary, excellent faculty. So this type of details we should tell. Computerized training, incentives for early birds like some scholarship or some off, 10% seats free, maybe on scholarship basis or something, and then send in your application by the 16th May 2020 or 2022, something like that. And then you have to tell your contact address, contact secretary, phone, this. So this way you have to frame educational column classified advertisement. Next comes lost and found category. Lost and found is written together, lost and found category. Maybe you have lost something or maybe you have found something, but you have to give your title like lost and found, and the essential details which you have to write are, then you have to first begin with the word lost and or lost or found, because your category is lost and found. So you have to mention clearly while writing your advertisement that either you are writing for lost or you are writing for this found category. So begin with lost or found word. Then you have to specify about the item which is lost or found. Give a brief physical description of that item which is lost or found again. Then you have to mention when and where you lost or found that same very thing. Yes, in case of lost, you have to mention reward also, if any, if you have announced, because in lost cases, usually it is good if we announce some reward, then there are more cases or good chances that we can get that thing really back. And in the end, we have to end with the contact address and phone number. Full contact address and phone number should be given here, because if we have lost something, we really want it back as soon as possible. So the person who has found it should not find it difficult to locate us. So we should give complete contact address and phone number. Let's have a look at one example. You have lost your purse. Draft an advertisement suitable to be given in the local daily. Invent details. So no details are given in this. Your advertisement should not exceed 50 words. So again, I have given title, that is lost and found category. It is in a box, and then let us see what I have written, because we have to invent all the details on our own. Let us see. Lost black leather purse in DTC bus, route number 315, while traveling between Lucknow Road and Red Fort. Full stop. See, I have separated my sentence with comma because the reader should not get, though we are writing the full-fledged sentence here, it is need of the hour, so we are writing it, it is required here, but reader should not get an impression that it is full-fledged sentences, it is verbose. So we should separate the things in chunks with the commas or full stops, and then we should continue with the next information. Then I have written that besides cash, it contains some very important bills and receipts. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Please contact, and I have then given full-fledged address. That also we have to invent on our own. So Anil Sood, B67, Lucknow Road, New Delhi, and along with the phone number I have given in the lost and found category. Next comes travel and tours. Travel and tours is again one of the very important category of classifieds. So let us see the value points which we need to keep in our mind while framing this type of advertisement. First of all, you need to begin with the package available. State name of travel agency clearly so that your name becomes popular. Specify destination and duration of the packages available. Then supply details of package like food, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, etc. whatever is included in that package. Then you have to give estimated cost, a random cost of that package you should give, and then it would depend upon the choices selected by the person who is taking that package. So you give some estimated one, and the special discounts available for business officials, daily commuters, or you can say for the newlywed couple, some special discounts are there. And then you have to write the contact address and phone number at the end. Again, let's have a look at one example of this category. The statement says, Sita Travels 227 Jagriti Enclave, Delhi offers a package tour for 3 nights 14 days in Mauritius for rupees 10,000 per person. Draft an advertisement for publication in a national daily in about 50 words. Give necessary details. So in this statement you have got a lot of information, but maybe in many other statements you will get maybe there is not this much information given. Then be ready to invent on your own. So first of all, we need to give the title, that is travel and tours, and then how we are going to start it. Attractive package available for Mauritius, 3 nights 4 days, breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included. So all the features I have mentioned, and then we can tell that cost 10,000 per person, special discount for early birds. This way we have to frame, and in the end I have given contact address, that is Sita Travels, 227 Jagriti Enclave, Delhi, phone number. So these are the things we need to mention. Next comes important category, matrimonials. See, for wedding purpose, people advertise in this column of classifieds, that is matrimonials. Let us see what are the details we need to mention while framing one matrimonial advertisement. First of all, we need to begin with word wanted or alliance or proposal invited. Then we need to tell the educational or professional qualifications of the person who is advertising, means for whom it is being advertised. That person's qualifications will come here. Age, height, complexion, build, everything of that person will come. And then after completing that person's detail, maybe for the boy, maybe for the girl, then we will start writing the qualities of the partner they are searching for. So first the person will write his qualities, and then he would write that these are the qualities he is looking for. So the qualities sought in partner. State boy or girl clearly, then mention service or profession and income clearly in the advertisement. Then yes, of course, you need to mention caste, subcaste or religion. It is also important to be mentioned in matrimonial. And then you have to end with, see here you will not write your own address. In matrimonials usually people write the address and the box number of the daily of the newspaper in which they are advertising, because then newspaper agencies, they contact that person. So you have to write the name of newspaper here in the contact address, not your personal address. Then let's have a look at one example. A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured, and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national daily. So much of the details are given still in the statement. So let us start. First of all, IT professional. So he says tall girl of status Punjabi family. So that means girl they are searching for. So it would belong to the bride wanted category. So my heading goes bride wanted, and let us see how we are going to frame it. Alliance invited for a very handsome, tall and cultured IT professional, 29 years, 180 centimeter tall, NRI, settled in London as CEO of a reputed firm, exceptionally beautiful. Now boy has told his qualities, now he is telling the qualities of girl he is looking for. Exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultured girl between 21 and 25, and at least 5 feet 4 inch tall, only status Punjabi families. So he has written his preference also, that only Punjabi families. And then he has given box number 869B, the Tribune, the Times of India and New Delhi. So this way you have to mention the name of newspaper in the contact address. We can have look at one more example where bridegroom is wanted. So example is, write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for a Bisa Agarwal girl working as sales officer in a leading export house. So for a girl they are searching, so that means they are searching a boy. So it is bridegroom wanted. The heading is bridegroom wanted, and let's see the qualities and the things they are wanted, how we are going to frame them. Proposal invited for a Bisa Agarwal girl, 25 years, 158 centimeter, working as sales officer in leading export house. This much information was given in the statement. Comma, income in 6 figures. Income we have to mention, so they have not given exact, so in 6 figures per annum. Full stop, parents, having business at Mumbai and overseas. Now we have given all the details of the girl. Now what type of boy she is looking for, we will write. Boys merit main consideration means, merit main consideration means he should be really intelligent one, really having good qualities. Professional with business background preferred. Early and decent marriage they are looking for. Right to contact means at the place of contact they have written right to, and again it is the address of the newspaper they are publishing this advertisement into. So it is the Times of India, Mumbai. So still our some of the classified advertisements are left. We will continue, means because display advertisements they are also left. We will continue this very video again in the next lecture. Till then, take care, be safe.